Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're a small business owner struggling to make ends meet, or you're just tired of the constant hustle with little payoff, and you're wondering, what's the best business I can start with just $1,000? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to answer that exact question and show you how to build a profitable online business that's designed to give you the consistent income and time freedom without breaking the bank. Hi, I'm Natasha. After running a traditional construction business for the last 7 years, I know how overwhelming it can be to keep a small business afloat. We were constantly dealing with long hours, non-paying customers, and stiff competition. And let me tell you, I would have loved to know back then that it is totally possible to start a business with just $1,000 that could help you generate consistent revenue online without the overhead and stress of a traditional brick and mortar business. So what is the best business to start with just $1,000? In my experience and what I've seen work for thousands of others inside of our community, the answer is an online business focused on digital products and reoccurring income streams. Here's why. With just $1,000, you can invest in creating and reselling digital products like online courses, ebooks, or softwares that customers can purchase over and over and over again. Unlike traditional products, digital products have almost zero cost to reproduce, which means after your initial investment, everything is pure profit. Unlike starting a physical business where you need to spend that $1,000 on things like rent, inventory, payroll, an online business lets you avoid all of those expenses. Plus, with the digital products, you're not dealing with shipping, inventory management, or any of the headaches that come with a traditional business. You can sell to anyone, anywhere in the world, meaning you have a much larger market to tap into. And here's the best part. Once your digital products are set up and optimized, they generate reoccurring income with minimal ongoing effort. You're no longer tied to the grind of working in your business 24/7. So you're probably thinking, okay, that sounds great, but how do I actually do it? And that's where the Legacy Builder program comes in. This is the exact program that helped me transition from a traditional business model to a successful online business. And it's designed to do the same for you. For less than $1,000, you'll get access to everything you need to build a digital business from scratch. Step-by-step training on how to create or sell digital products, automated systems that run your sales pros for you, and strategies for using attraction marketing to bring in customers daily to you. No need to pay for expensive ads. So one of the things I love most about this program is that it's designed to get you into profit mode quickly. You don't have to wait months or even years to start seeing a return on your investment. In fact, many of the people who join the program are making sales and generating income within the first 7 days. Plus, the community of over 40,000 entrepreneurs will support you every step of the way. So if you're ready to take that $1,000 and invest it into a business that has the potential to bring you financial freedom without all of the headaches of a traditional business, comment Legacy down below and I will show you how the Legacy Builder program can help you get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on growing a successful online business.